Okay, I noticed that I have 6 rolls. I noticed that each roll it comes with a run number, which is the one you should take a look all the time, T34NK. But along that, I noticed that it's a number 19, 10, 111, 112. So which is telling me that this color is gonna be exactly the same on these 4 rolls. Now, I have 2-1 and 2-2, which means that one is gonna be a different, slightly different shade of color than these 4. So anyway, Sisal Grasscloth, that's what I'm gonna hang. This is very, very delicate material, and I'm gonna have to reverse each sheet, and I don't think I'm gonna have to do the double seam or make the double seam on it unless it needs it, but it's gonna be pretty hard. Now this material, do not touch it with your wet hands or even smear glue on the top, because it's gonna change the color. At the time you wanna clean it off, you're gonna make the mess worse than it is. So I'm gonna have to be very, very clean about hanging this wallpaper. I'm gonna have to glue my wall and then hang the material. So I hope I don't have to do the double seam. So anyway, I need 9 sheets all along. Probably each roll it comes with 3 pretty much. It's gonna be 98 inches length. So I'm gonna cut it at 99 probably. I'm not gonna waste too much anyway. This paper is pretty expensive, and so let's do it. Okay, what I usually do is just to check that this wall is straight, because this is where I'm gonna take the level of my paper. It's off just a hair, like a 3/32 of an inch, which is nothing. So, and besides, paper does not have any pattern match. So here's my 36. Here's my 36 right there. Oops, hold on. Okay, 36 is right there. Even. So, oh, there's my mark right there. All right. Welcome to your next sheet outside. I started it at 10 after 11. It's 11:30, which is not too long time. For the kind of paper I was hanging, very delicate and stuff. Didn't take me too long. There's my wall. Now, since it's a dark color, it's darker than what you see here. Here in the screen look gray, but this it's blue. You already saw it. Anyway, since it's a dark color, it's hard to tell if you left any bubble on the sheet or on the wall, you might gonna adjust it. Take a look, not in front of the paper, but sideways, because you found the bubbles faster on dark wall cover that you already installed. Easy to find. Oops. This needs to be pressed. Now, the instructions tells you sometimes not to press or not to use the seam roller, but eventually you might wanna use it anyway. The reason is that if you're gonna press too hard on it, the adhesive is gonna come through the material and it's gonna mess up your wallpaper. So there you go. I don't see any bubble. I should see it right now, but it's not here. I already walked towards the other direction. Now I'm going the opposite way, and I don't see any bubble at all. All right. If you see different colors, it's because somebody put it wrong, or it didn't reverse every other sheet. So anyway, there is straight cuts, clean corners. There you go. Done.